Go, baby, go.
Daddy.
What is it? You need help? Okay, you pedal.
Got it.
You got it? Zane, go put the water bottle back. Go, baby. Come on, Zane, ride your bike. Good job, baby. Go.
Dad.
Yes, you did it all by yourself.
Look at these tracks.
Doing good, buddy. Keep trying.
That crash.
That's okay.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Christiana.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Christiana. I'm gonna go too. Bye, Daddy.
Bye, baby.
Daddy, stay here.
I'm going to stay here.
Yeah.
Where are you going to go?
He's gonna go home.
You going shopping? That's hilarious.
I'm gonna go home.
You're going to go home? Okay. Let's see you ride.
I'm just gonna walk home.
You really want to go home?
No.
Okay, silly boy.
Guys is being silly.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Get on your bike and ride it.
Stay here.
Stay here.
Stay here.
All right, little bossy.
Follow, Bossio. You're the bossio. You're the boss. Stay here, Daddy. Stay here.
Watch where you're going. You're going to crash. You look where you're riding your bike.
Daddy, stay here.
I'm going to go over here.
No. Stop. That's my other track.
You're going to go over these tracks again?
That's my train track.
You're going to go over the bumpies?
That's my train
You're going to come up here? Pedal faster, Christiana, if you want to get up. Pedal, pedal. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy will push a little bit. You pedal. Pedal. Okay, now turn so you don't crash.
And then crash.
Wow, she made it all the way up here by herself. Almost. Pedal, baby.
It was slippery.
You gonna go, buddy?
Bye, Daddy. Stay here.
Okay, why don't you ride around on the blacktop, buddy?
I'm gonna go this way.
Okay. Keep practicing. You're doing very good.
I'm doing very good on my riding, not on my turning.
That's okay. You can practice your turning. That's why we're here. Okay, Daddy's gonna stay with Zane. You go bye-bye.
Where can I go about you? Daddy! Daddy,
Get you! What's the matter?
Daddy!
You need help? Pedal.
Stop!
Stop. You just... Oh, you're so cute.
Needy boy.
I'm not a needy boy. Zane, turn around and go downhill. Go back down this way. Okay, go.
Now stay here.
All right, bossy.
Stay here.
Zane, ride your bike. Good job, buddy. Okay, buddy, turn around and come back.